Good day, sir. Hi, everyone. This is my presentation about PHP code. Now, in PHP tags, first we start in variable, which is start with $sign. Follow the variable name. For example, string 1 equals to value. But first, we need to write the quotation marks. Say the quotation mark, the value. For example, my name. And don't forget the semicolon. Now, to execute the value of variable, we need to write the echo function. Now, inside the double quotation mark, we have predefined text. To execute the value, we need to write the variable. As you can see, it is execute the value of variable. Now, what if we use the single quotes and predefine text? What will happen if we use the single quotes and predefine text? In single quotes does not executed the value of the variable because single quotes do not evaluate the variable. Then double quote does. Now, how to hide these echo functions and the predefined text? First, we use the comment. So, how to write the comment? First, we write the slash, double slash. Now, what will happen if we run this? It's gone because in comment we can hide the codes, or should I say, comment is a line that is not executed as part of the program or as a reminder to yourself of what you did in code. Now, how to use concatenate string in PHP code? First, we write the more variable. So, how to join the all variables in concatenate? First, we write echo. Now, first, what we are gonna do is to write the variable followed by the single dot, single quote, concatenate dot followed by the second variable. Now, as you can see, it is executed the all variables because we use the concatenate string, which is joining the all variables in predefined text. That's all for today. My name is Ben and see you around. Goodbye.